Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. So today I'm going to be doing Surah Jinn, ayat number 6 to 10. So let's get started. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. So ayat number 6 is وَأَنَّهُ كَانَ رِجَالٌ مِّنَ الْإِنسِ يَعُوذُونَ بِرِجَالٍ مِّنَ الْجِنِّ فَزَادُوهُمْ رَهَقًا. It means that, and some of the men used to seek refuge with some jinns, so they increased each other in wickedness. So in that Arab society, when these people they would travel in the desert, when they would camp for the night, they would say that I take refuge in the jinn of this valley to protect us. So this gave the jinns a lot of false, thinking that they were powerful and all that. So some men used to seek refuge with some jinns, so they increased each other in wickedness. Then ayat number 7 is وَأَنَّهُمْ ظَنُّوا كَمَا ظَنَنْتُمْ أَلَّنْ يَبْعَثَ اللَّهُ أَحَدًا. So just keep in mind that it's still the jinns that are speaking after they listen to the Prophet ﷺ reciting the Quran. And now they're saying that, and those humans thought that just like you jinn, that Allah would not resurrect anyone for judgment. So both of them, they thought that there is not going to be any resurrection. Then ayat number 8 is وَأَنَّا لَمَسْنَا السَّمَاءَ فَوَجَدْنَاهَا مُلِئَتْ harasan shadidan wa shuhuba. It means that earlier we tried to reach the heavens for the news only to find it filled with stern guards and shooting stars. So previously the jinns would go in the heavens, in the first heaven of course, trying to listen to what the angels were saying and then coming back and telling them the soothsayers and everything. But now since the Quran was being revealed, there were stern guards in the heavens and the angels were on guard, and these jinns, they were not able to listen to anything. So they were worried like, what's happening? Why aren't we able to reach and listen to anything? Then ayat number 9 is وَأَنَّا كُنَّا نَقْعُدُ مِنْهَا مَقَاعِدَ لِلسَّمْعِ فَمَنْ يَسْتَمِعِ الْآنَ يَجِدْ لَهُ شِهَابًا رَصَدًا. It means that you used to take our positions or for eavesdropping, but whoever dares to eavesdrop now will find a flare lying in wait for them. So now when we try to listen to eavesdrop from what the angels are saying, there's a flare for us waiting, a shooting star to hurt us so that we're not able to listen to anything. Then the last ayat for today is ayat number 10, which says وَأَنَّا لَا نَدْرِي أَشَرٌ أُرِيدَ بِمَنْ فِي الْأَرْضِ أَمْ أَرَادَ بِهِمْ رَبُّهُمْ رَشَدًا. It means that now we have no clue whether evil is intended for those on earth or their Lord intends them what is right. So they did not know that is something bad going to happen to the people on the earth, and that is the reason why there is so much guard in the heavens, or something good is going to happen. And now finally when they listen to the Quran, when they listen to the Prophet ﷺ reciting the Quran, they realize that it was actually this Quran that was being revealed, and that is the reason why there was such stern guards. So those jinns, they became Muslims after listening to the Quran. So now we need to think that do we pay much attention to the ayahs, or we just read them over and over again just to count that how many times we completed the Quran in Ramadan? That is something that we all need to think about. That's all for today. Fi aman Allah.